Hello, beautiful one. I got two packages and I'd love to share them with you. One is a surprise package from a beautiful daughter of light, and one is actually a package I ordered, crystals from Kaylee's Moon Crystals. So if you'd like to check out what I received, I would love to share. So the first package is, let's see, this is the surprise package. Hi Andrea, this is one gift for Sydney and you. I hope you like it. Much love from me, Cynthia. Oh, I love it. Thank you, Cynthia. I haven't even opened it yet, but my heart is so full of joy. Thank you. Beautiful Cynthia. Cynthia is a graduate of the Acasma Quantum Expansion courses. She's an Acasma Quantum Energy Facilitator. She's a beautiful being of light. If you don't already follow Cynthia, I will put her information here and below, and you can go and follow her page. And you can work with her if you choose to as well. She speaks French, so anyone who speaks French may really enjoy working with her as well, as I do not speak fluent French. Bonsoir, mes amis, is about all I got. So let's see what Cynthia sent. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, how cool. And on the note, it said, magic mug, color changing mug with heat activation. Let's see what it does. Okay, you guys, this is not so cool. Oh my gosh, I love these. Look at this, you guys. Thank you, Cynthia. These are fantastic. Oh my goodness. I love these. Thank you so much, Cynthia. They're awesome. One of my favorite photos of Sydney and I. This is fantastic. You are so thoughtful. Thank you, sweetheart. And now for my Kaylee's Moon Crystal package. We'll see what I got. Some of you already know probably because you follow Kaylee's Moon Crystals and you see me hit sold. But we'll see what's in this box. Kaylee's Moon Crystals is a beautiful site. They offer various variety of crystals, all shapes and sizes, and the investment prices are very, very fair, and they ship so quickly. And they're very good people. There are many other beautiful crystal sites on IG, and I love all of our family of light. I just happen to be able to afford the crystals with Kaylee's Moon's Crystals much easier, and so that is one of the big draws for me as well. They have affordability and a really vast selection. This guy, look at this guy in person. I know many of you probably saw it on the website. Isn't this fantastic? Can you guys see inside there? I love geodes, and look at this. It's like an egg, right? Oh, it's so beautiful, and the energy is just so loving. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I love it. And look at this guy. Isn't that fantastic? Look at how it grew. Oh my goodness. I love it. Love it. So beautiful. And these, oh my gosh, when I saw these, I was like, I have to get these. They look like sharks to me. And we have a connection to sharks that's very, very loving and beautiful in our family, because my nephew, his nickname was Shark. And he was in a tragic car accident right before or after his 24th birthday, I believe. And he transitioned out of this space. He's with us every day. He actually is with my daughter, Sydney, all the time. And he's with me a lot. And he actually assists us in the work we do as well. But he is no longer on the earth plane. And when I saw these crystals and they looked like sharks, I thought, I have to get this for Sydney, because she really loves him so much, and this is a wonderful connection space. So tell me you don't see a shark, right? Look at this. Right? Oh my gosh, I love this piece. It's so beautiful, so unique. Can you like you can see that shark mouth, right? So beautiful. And there's another one that was with it as well. Look at that one. Does that not look like a shark, wide open, even an eye? I mean, it's so beautiful, right? So we'll each have a shark crystal with us. And this is a beautiful reminder of our beautiful, beautiful Justin. We love you, Justin. And this piece, oh God, it's so beautiful. Look at this, you guys. Isn't this just fantastic? Look at this, look at the side. Oh, look at all of this. Yeah, it's just gorgeous. Love these pieces. Rockman Chris, love. These guys are so beautiful. I tell you, you may see three small stones here. Their energy is just, oh my gosh. It's so deep and rich, and this one especially, and it's the smallest one out of the group, but it is just phenomenal. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna meditate with these guys, do a lot of my work with these guys. So much of the earth coming through. Tane ia nawa sawa eia, awa eia ia na tawa o koa kea, ia tawa sana ta oa kea, ia nawa sawa eia, tea. Oh, these are beautiful, beautiful. And then I got many towers because I have my AQE courses that I do, and I certify people who want to actually do this work that I do. And then I also hold these courses as just self-expansion courses. But no matter what, if you choose to invest in the certification and or you're doing the one-on-one courses, you do get a congratulatory gift. So some of these are going to be going as congratulatory gifts, but they are phenomenal. Look at these shungite towers. They have this beautiful coloring in them with like this gold swipes in them. Look at this one. And I have quite a few of these. They're just so gorgeous. And shungite is one of the official crystals of Acasma. So there's 5 official crystals in the AQE2 program, and shungite is one of them. But they're just all so beautiful. Shungite's a fantastic crystal. I wear it on my body at all times, and I have it in my home, all around my home. Shungite reflects the EMF rays, bands, frequencies, and it also is an extremely grounding crystal, deep earth crystal. It does a lot. It can, many people use it for filtration of water as well, but you could research it yourself. But shungite is a fantastic crystal. So I have many of those towers. And look at this, you guys. I think this is called Caribbean, might be Caribbean blue agate, but I'm not positive on that. But isn't it just fantastic? It reminds me of the ocean when I was just down in Destin. So, so beautiful. And I got several of these as well. There's a really interesting one in here. Let's see. Look at this one. Look at this one. Isn't that neat? I love when they have these spaces in them. It's just, to me, more depth, more character. And you can see the variations. I don't know, the camera doesn't do it justice really, but there's like deep blue, light blue, and with the sun shining through it from my view, I can see into it, and it's just fantastic, really beautiful. So I have several of those as well. And then beautiful Rockman Chris sent me a few gifts here. So I got a handful, and I mean a handful of, look at these beautiful guys that he sent me. This is one of Rockman Chris's bracelets as well. This is larimar and obsidian, I believe, and this is beautiful. I wear it all the time. Larimar is another one of the official crystals of Acasma, but look at these are, these are rose quartz, these little guys, rose quartz. This looks like amethyst cubes and some amethyst, or maybe this is fluorite. This is really clear. don't know, Rockman Chris will have to let me know, but oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Rockman Chris, this is gorgeous. Love, love, love. And look at these, you guys. These are a gift as well. A rose quartz heart. Look at the beautiful, beautiful pink in this. Really gorgeous. And this looks like, not sure. What is this one, Rockman Chris? Okay, comment below and let me know the green heart. I'm not positive, but it is gorgeous. And there's this guy. Look at this unique guy. Rockman Chris knows I love these really unique ones. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. You see all that beautiful earth energy. Oh my gosh. Really, really beautiful. Really beautiful. Thank you, Rockman Chris. You guys are so good to me. I love you guys so much. And thank you to Cynthia. Oh my gosh, I am blown away by all of the love, and I have so much gratitude for each and every one of you. Thank you for all of the comments, all of the emails, all of the direct messages. Thank you for all of the outpouring of love you guys show me on all of my social spaces, YouTube, TikTok, IG. You guys are phenomenal. I love what I do, and I'm so grateful to do it with you. Unending blessings upon you, Divine One. Unending